Understanding Quantum States. A Beginner's Guide. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept from the world of physics, quantum states. This topic might sound complex, but we'll break it down together. Let's dive into the world of quantum mechanics in an easy-to-understand way. Quantum state refers to the condition or state of a quantum system. Quantum systems are incredibly small particles, like electrons or photons, that follow the rules of quantum mechanics. Unlike what we see in our everyday world, these particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This is known as a superposition. It's a bit like having a coin spinning in the air. It's not just heads or tails, but both at the same time. One of the most intriguing aspects of quantum states is the role of observation. When a quantum system is not being observed, it exists in a superposition of states. However, the moment it is observed, it chooses a specific state. This phenomenon is called the collapse of the wave function. It's like our spinning coin suddenly landing on heads or tails when we look at it. Another key concept is quantum entanglement. This occurs when two quantum particles become linked, and the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. It's as if two separated coins could magically land on the same side at the same time. Albert Einstein famously referred to this as spooky action at a distance. Quantum states are not just theoretical. They have practical applications in technology. For example, quantum computing uses quantum states to perform complex calculations at incredible speeds. This could revolutionize fields like medicine, finance, and artificial intelligence. We hope this video has demystified the concept of quantum states for you. Remember, quantum mechanics might seem abstract, but it's a field full of wonders and practical applications. Keep exploring and stay curious about the world of science. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.